Do I really need flood insurance is a common question that we get here at the Baxter Insurance Agency. You can reach us at 281-445-1381. Now, there are many types of conditions that can result in a flood. Hurricanes and the rapid accumulation of rain are just a couple of them. And while certain areas are prone to flooding, it can happen anywhere and at any time. Now, according to floodsmart.gov, floods are the #1 natural disaster in the United States. Anywhere it rains, it can flood, the federal government-run site declares. So, are you prepared? Beyond readying your home and developing a family emergency plan, being prepared for a flood means understanding a bit about insurance. Now, flood insurance provides coverage for flood-related loss. Most important is the fact that a standard homeowner's insurance policy typically does not cover flood damage. And because floods can occur anywhere, you should strongly consider purchasing a separate flood insurance policy from the Baxter Insurance Agency at 281-445-1381. Now, not everyone understands the need for a separate flood policy. In fact, research shows that there's a common misconception that homeowners insurance covers flood damage when, in fact, it typically doesn't. In a recent survey, 44% of Americans said that they believed that they were covered for weather-related floods when, in fact, only 15% reported having purchased a flood insurance policy. Now, flood insurance is required in high-risk areas. Costs for flood insurance will vary depending on how much coverage you buy, what the policy covers, does it just cover the structure or the contents of your home, and your property's flood risk. If your home falls in a high-risk flood area and you carry a mortgage from a federally regulated or insured lender, your lender is legally mandated to require flood insurance on your property. Typically, that's not the case if your home falls in a moderate to low-risk area. However, a lender may require you to hold flood insurance at any time, even if the company is not legally mandated to do so, according to floodsmart.gov. To learn more about flood insurance, call the Baxter Insurance Agency at 281-445-1381 right now. Now let's talk about other ways to help protect against floods. There are also other things that you can do to protect your property and loved ones against a flood. Here are some tips to keep in mind. 1. Make sure the grading or slope of your yard directs water away from your home. 2. Install a sump pump with a battery backup system and test it every year. 3. Keep drains, downspouts, and gutters free of debris, and extend downspouts away from the building. 4. Have a licensed electrician raise electrical outlets at least 12 inches above the expected flood levels in your area. And then the last but not least, develop a family emergency plan with an evacuation kit that includes important documents in case you're forced to leave your home. If you have any questions about flood insurance or want to get a quote for your own flood insurance just to ensure that you're protected, call the Baxter Insurance Agency right now at 281-445-1381. We serve the Houston and greater surrounding areas, so call us now.